Hey guys, check out this complex question. Seems complex, right? Now, watch me as I break it down. Now, we have 5x equals 40x raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. Now, you see that this is negative. The negative power law applies here. So, this will give us 5x equals 40 times. Now, this minus becomes 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now this gives us 5x equals, now this dot is another sign for multiplication. Now I have 40 times 1, which gives us 40 over x raised to the power 1 over 2. Now from here we can cross multiply. So I'll base this by 1 and then we cross multiply. This gives 5x times x by 1 over 2 equals 1 times 40, 40. Then, remember your addition law of indices. This is the same thing as 5 times x. Now, this x is carrying an invisible 1. So that's 5 times x raised to the power of 1 times x raised to the power of 1 over 2 equals 40. Then, now you can see that these two are of the same base. So what do we do in this case? We pick one of the base, and because it is multiplication, we add the powers. So we have 5x raised to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2 equals 40. So this gives 5x raised to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2. That's like 1.5. And remember, 1.5 is what? 3 over 2. The same thing as 3 over 2. We have 3 raised to the power of 3 over 2 equals 40. Now, a situation whereby you have this 5x equals 40, and we divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. 5 cancels 5, and we have x raised to the power of 3 over 2 equals 40 divided by 5 is 8. Now you see that we have been able to break it down into a less complex form. So this, we now have x raised to the power of 3 over 2 equals 8. It's the same thing as, recall that we have a raised to the power of m over m. It gives us the m, which is the denominator, becomes the root. That's m root of a, while the n, which is the numerator, becomes the power. So applying this here, this becomes what? Square root of x, because 2 is the denominator, and then raised to the power of 3 equals 8. Now, to solve this, we are looking for x, because in this case, x is the unknown here. We're looking for x. Now, for us to get x, we need to get rid of whatever that is attached to x. And what are those things attached to x? They have the square root and the power, which is 3. Now, we need to get rid of them one by one. So get rid of the cube, so that the cube cancels the cube root. We're left with square root of x equals, now what is the cube root of 8? The cube root of 8 is 2. Now we are left with square root of x. X is still not yet alone, so we have to get rid of the square root. And how do we get rid of the square root? Well, we will get rid of the square root by squaring both sides, so that the square cancels the. So this gives us x equals 2 raised to the power of 2 gives us 4, and that's our final answer. I hope you found this helpful. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Friends show up, we laugh all night. New semester got the future in sight.